Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. Sometimes, artificial intelligence can perform many tasks better than humans. Big companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon, and Tesla use artificial intelligence to improve their products. However, I will show you how to generate beautiful graphics or copyright-free images using a line of text in this video with the help of a free AI bot. You are free to use the pictures you generate for commercial projects too. So, it can save you a lot of time and money. Isn't it? To create a new AI-generated image, go to www.midjourney.com and click on Join the Beta to head over to their Discord bot page. Now click on Accept Invite. You need to sign into your Discord account. You can register for a new account if you are new to Discord. After that, open their Discord server and select one of the newbies channels from the sidebar. To use the MidJourney bot, start typing /imagine, and you can type whatever you want the bot to generate. Once satisfied with the prompt you just wrote, press enter to send your message. That will deliver your request to the MidJourney bot, which will soon start generating your images. You can use the U1, U2, U3, and U4 buttons for upscaling your chosen image. Upscaling an image generates a roughly 1024 x 1024 pixel version of the selected image. By default, this will also generate additional details. V1, V2, V3, and V4 are buttons for creating variations of your chosen image. Creating variations will generate 4 new images, similar in overall style and composition to your selected image. You can click on the image to open it to full size, and then right-click and choose Save Image to save it to your local computer. You can tap the image and download icon in the top right corner if you're on mobile. You can ask the MidJourney bot to send you a Discord direct message containing your final results. To do so, react with the envelope emoji to one of the bot's messages that includes a finished generation. It works with both single upscaled images and 2x2 grids. That's all. Now you can create and use copyright-free images for free on your projects with the help of this AI bot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video and press the bell icon to get notified about more awesome tools like this. Thanks for watching.